This is Lego Classic Gray base plate. It is 15 by 15 inches. Let's open the package. There's no sticker on the back, so you have to make your own sticker, like a double-sided glue. And the quality is no problem. It's pretty sturdy. And I'm going to put some stuff on it. Yeah, it's very tight. Yeah, it's pretty tight. You see, you can just lift the whole thing up. And yeah, you have to push pretty hard to put that in. Yeah, you see, it's easy to lift it up. And the thing on top is gonna to be very sturdy. It's pretty good. All right, hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.